Hello, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone, and good evening, everyone. Today we are here with another session of problem solving, and today we'll be discussing another problem. And that problem I have picked from hackerearth.com. Uh, that problem is basically based upon ASCII codes, and very interesting problem, and that's a medium or high level problem. So let us start with the problem. And before starting, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Kundan Munjal, Senior Faculty IT, iNurture Education Solutions, Bangalore, and currently in North India, hosted in North region of the India. Okay, so let us start with the problem. So before getting going to the directly to the problem, uh, I'm saying we have to uh, be very sure about SKY values. So what are SKY values? So SKY stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And as we know that computer can only understand numbers, so an SKY code is the numerical representation of a character such as A or these alphanumeric numbers or characters at the rate or an action of some sort. So every character, every symbol, or every particular number has an SKY value, and as computer can only understand these numbers, so SKY code is the numerical representation of every uh, number. So I can show you these SKY values. So this is the SKY values. Like you see that this null, SOH, start of the heading, start of text, substitute, escape, less than, greater than, equal to, question mark, 0 to 8, 9 numbers have their own SKY values in these decimal numbers 48, 49, 50, 51, and their hexadecimal, octal, and HTML representations is also given here. So, but we generally use the decimal values here. So, you can see that if I talk about characters, so these are the uppercase letters A to Z. So, their SKY values is ranging from 65 to 90, and from small a to small z, their SKY values is ranging from 97 to 122. So for this problem, we are particularly interested in these character SKY values, and how we'll be using these that depend upon the problem. So let us read the problem first. So this is the problem, which is from Hacker Earth. And the problem is Dhananjay has recently learned about SKY values, and he is very fond of experimenting. With his knowledge of SKY values and character, he has developed a special word and named it as Dhananjay's magical word. A word which consists of alphabet whose SKY values is a prime number is a Dhananjay's magical word. An alphabet is Dhananjay's magical alphabet if its SKY value is prime. Okay, so there is the complete meaning here. An alphabet is Dhananjay's magical alphabet if its SKY value is prime. Means it is talking about those uh, alphabets which are having the prime SKY value in decimal. We are talking about mainly we are seeing this for decimal only. So the Dhananjay's nature is to boost about the things he know or have learned about. So just to defame his friends, he gives few string to his friends and asks them to convert to Dhananjay's magical word. Okay. So none of his friends would like to get insulted. Help them to convert the given strings to Dhananjay's magical word. So means they want to convert a particular word into Dhananjay's magical word Means every character in this in the world should be uh, should have the prime value in its ASCII form. Okay, so we'll be seeing an example to clear it more. So means if a particular word is given and that word is comprises of five characters, and out of those five characters three are non-prime, so we have to convert those three into the prime number. So and that will be uh, the Dhananjay's magical word. Or if all five are non-prime, then we have to convert all five characters ASCII value to a prime character ASCII value. So means ASCII value should be prime, but that is only of the character. So that word, the final output word will be the Dhananjay's magical word. So there are certain rules that are given for converting. So each character should be replaced by the nearest Dhananjay's magical alphabet. Okay, it means it should be converted whatever is the near prime value. Suppose, for example, 79 is the or 80 is the ASCII value. So near about 80, whichever is the prime value. Suppose 79 is the prime value, or I'm not sure 79 is a prime or not. Let us see. We will be seeing that. Or 83 is the prime value. So we'll be converting to the 79 or 83. So which is nearer? 79 is the near. So definitely we'll be converting to the nearest one. But the second rule is again a further challenge. If the character is equidistant with two magical alphabets, means if if the distance between two prime numbers which are close to the original ASCII value is same, then which one to replace it with? The one with the lower ASCII value will be considered as its replacement. Means out of two choices, which is having the lower ASCII value, that will be considered for its replacement. So first line, so input format is given here. The first line of input consists an integer that is t, which means the number of test cases, and each test case contains an integer n, denoting the length of the string, and a string s. And the output format will be for each test case, print Dhananjay's magical word in a new line. Okay, so there will be number of test cases, and then after that we have to print Dhananjay's magical word in a new line by taking the input of the word. So for example, if this is the sample input, okay, the constraint, first we read the constraint. The constraint is that the test cases should be ranging from 1 to 100, and the length of the string which we are passing should be less than equal to 500, starting from 1. Okay, so the sample input is this. One means the number of test cases, so we are just testing for one, and the word length is 6, that is ASREEN, and the sample output will be CGSCCO. And the explanation for this is the ASCII value of the six alphabets which are comprised of Afreen will be 65, 70, 82, 69, 69, and 78, which is converted to CGSCCO, which is with the ASCII value 67, 71, 83, 67, 67, 79. So the ASCII value which is nearer to 65, and which is prime also, that is 67. The ASCII value which is nearer to 70 and which is prime and which is a character ASCII value also will be 71. Definitely that will be character because वापस में ही साथ में, and 83 will be near to 82, 69 के near 67, again 69 के near 67, and 78 के near 79. So all such ASCII values are prime numbers. So further these will be converted into the characters, and the resultant character word will be CGSCCO. So this will be the final output. So I hope you are all clear with the problem. So let us understand the problem in another way. Okay. So here are the steps given to convert uh, to go to the solution. How we can move towards the solution. So the first step is to convert each character into its sky value. Okay. So definitely we will be taking the word as the input, and and from that word we'll be getting each and every character sky value. Then find the nearest prime value either on the shorter side or on the larger side. Means so either on the left side or on the right side, which is near to the sky value of the character. Then we'll be swapping the original sky value. Then we'll be swapping the original sky prime value. Then finally we will be converted again into character and repeat the first four steps. So these are first four steps to the total number of characters in the word. जितने भी total number of characters है हर एक के लिए हमने ये चार steps करने. So this is a very simple or layman solution which we can think of, and that is the best thing to do. Then what we'll do is we will be maintaining the list of the prime number from 65 to 120. So the list of prime numbers are 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, 101, 103. As this is finite in nature, so we'll be maintaining an array of it. Then if the number is less than, if the sky value is less than 67, because our first prime number is 67, so if it is 64 or 60, 65 or 66, then definitely the answer will be 67 for that. It means we have to replace it with 67 because 67 is the first prime number and that will be replaced with the 65 or 66. And if it is greater than equal to 113, and 113 is the last prime number, so if anything is greater than that, then it means 113 will be the nearest one, then it will be 113. So these are the two things that we should be keeping our mind, that if the number is if the characters is A and B, then that will be replaced with C only, because that C is the first prime number as sky value. And similarly, if it is greater than 113, that should be replaced with 113. Okay. The third case means in between there are some characters. So what we have to do is compare with all the prime numbers in the range with the sky number. So we have maintained this array of prime numbers. Now consider, suppose in Munjal, Munjal, the first character is M. Okay, the sky value of M is 77. Then it will be replaced with 79 as it is nearer. So 77 is this. So we'll be going towards from first, then for second, then for third, then we get a greater value. That is 79. Means here is the glitch. The previous value can be replaced and the forward value can be replaced. So what we have to do is we have to follow these steps. Compare with every element of the prime sky till we'll find the large element compared to the current element. Suppose 77 is the current element and we find 79 in this case. Now second step, calculate difference between the previous prime and the larger prime with the original sky value. So we calculate the difference here. So 77 minus 73 is 4 and 79 minus 77 is 2. Okay, out of 2, select prime numbers having minimal difference. So definitely 79 difference is minimal. So with the original and if the difference is same, then choose lower prime number. But here the case is the difference is not same, so we'll be choosing this 79. Now final step is replace with the selected prime number. So we'll be replacing M with the 79. So that will be M and no. So that will be O. So this is the whole solution of the problem, and let us try to write the solution on the Dave C++. First we'll be including the library file. Then first we'll be writing the main function. We have taken three integers. We have taken a temporary variable that will be basically for the replacement. We have taken another integer. We are taking a character array that will be containing these sky values. Now we'll be taking the test cases. This percentage t will be the test cases here. We'll be running this loop for the test cases. Now the next input according to the question will be your length of the word. So I'm taking it in n, and then after that we'll be taking the word, that is the string, and we'll be storing it in the character array. Now what we have to do is we have to start the loop till the length of the array. And we'll be taking the first character into the temporary. Then we'll be calling a function next. Okay, so what is that next function? So first we write that. In this, what we have passed to the next function is we have passed the first character of the word. So we'll be writing the function here for next. So in next, what we are doing is taking two integers. As we know that the prime numbers, there are 12 prime numbers in between the range from 65 to 120, except for character prime numbers I am talking about. So I'll be maintaining an array for that. So I know that 67, then 71, then 73, and then 79, then 83, then 89, then 101, then 103, 107, 107, 109, and last is 113. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I missed something. 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. I think there is one more, 97. So this array will be maintaining 97, 101, 103, 107, 109, and 1013. Now what we have passed in this is the character number. So if n is less than equal to 67, So as we have discussed this case, then the answer will be 67. It's for sure. Else if the second condition is was of 113, then the answer will be 113. Then the third case is the main case. We have to match it with this particular array that we have maintained of 12 prime numbers. So for I is equal to 0, I is less than 12, and I plus plus. Then we'll be calculating the first difference after we get the value greater than, sorry, this will be जो भी हमने वैल्यू ली है n, फर्स्ट करेक्टर प्राइम वैल्यू और एनी करेक्टर प्राइम वैल्यू, जैसे ही ki की वैल्यू उससे ज्यादा होती है, दैट आई वाज टेकिंग द केस ऑफ मुंजाल, सो मुंजाल वाज 77 और हम 79 पे पूछे. If 79 is greater than 77, then we have to take the action. Then we'll be calculating the first distance. That will be ये distance हमने calculate किया. और फिर second distance we'll be calculating, that will be from the previous value, that will be from n. Then we'll be comparing the distance. If b1, sorry, if a1 is less than a2, answer will be its previous difference is lesser, then the answer will be ki break from the loop. Otherwise, answer will be ki minus. I think that's fine. Okay. Now in this NE, we'll be getting the answer. And what we have to do in the next step, we have to replace the first character with NE in that answer. And then we have, after this, we have to printf whole character, whole word, and then return 0. We'll be saving this. This is Dhananjay that we have sold in C. So we're checking for errors. Oh wow, first time it happened that it has no error. Okay, the first, okay, we have to share this screen also of output. The first thing that we have to give is, so what was the output? Okay, let us take that we know. It was 1 6 Afreen. We'll be matching it with CGCSSSCCU. So 1 6 and AFREE and Afreen. So AGSCCO. So it must be, so it's something is wrong here. So it will be CGSCCO. So it has not replaced A with, what is the mistake here? If A, if this is less than equal to 67, then it will be equal to 67. Answer will be equal to 67. Then it's fine, completely fine. Mm, So this will be, I think this loop is not running completely. The first is next temp. CH0 will be in temp, the next zero will be there, and E, here we have called. We have to return answer here. हमने कहीं return किया answer? No. This mistake we have done here. We have to this return this answer here in after at the end. What will be the output? It will be dependent upon this answer. Now 1 6. Yes. Now it's giving the fine answer because we forgot to return the answer here. So if we have not returned the answer, the first is this A. So A will be replaced with C. So answer is 67. Then it is returned, and it is here after returning, it is given to NE, and then NE is being stored to the first CH0, and then it is printed. When all the characters are replaced, then after this means that this for loop is over, and after that it is printed. So this is the whole story. So I hope you are able to get the solution here, and we'll be coming with a new problem again. Thank you all of you.